Omukorogo gwatandika n'okushaba kandi bwanyuma barambura ishomero lya Bugamba Senior Secondary School okureba ibikozirwe n'ebyo ebikiriyo niborabora. Okushakira ishomero eri nk'omulingumwe okwongera kutungura eby'obwegese kwebembirwemu abashomireho ayishomero eri erya Bugamba Senior Secondary School vet ba OBs na ba OGs.
Imyaka yawe nyingi akwa Bugamba Secondary School katandika kumwe rwenda chenana n'ebiri abingi zo kumanya hibari abandi zo kumanya contacts zabo konka tirisugerezeho mnonga kureba ngo twabaronda twine database yitu ya students tugambira guronda yabo washomere nabo so abataka twegisireho tubashaba batwegitaho tumbeke ishomero ryita kuba ishomerere niryo rikoze kituri.
By the way, in the whole country umuriyeze twagamba we are ranked the 35th out of the 50 best schools that did very well biology without the lab moreover. Kubabasha tunabatano are the 50 best schools hazotine lab. Cyo cyokuzana
abebembese ba Bugamba Senior Secondary School hari obutumwa over
spiritually, socially, economically, everything is growing at a very terrific speed. So we thank God so much for what is transpiring. We thank you so much.
Member wakachiwa karukuhereza amagezi government nabwo ico president ahandwara ezba kwegeza kabi nka COVID-19 nka Ebola arhoneri yenenda kwija eiturukuza kuba ntugamba hwesa ndero kwija ni virus.
Very happy and I normally encourage these girls to keep in school.
Omukoro gwaho aba OGs na ba OBs barundine sente ezirayongere kuhata ishomero cyayo komikwati n'ibyakanyabwenge okugora internet. Umuganda abazire bashabwa konja kufa abana babo bamanye barukora ekinchi kubahwera okubakuza ije. Ebi n'ebindi bigambirwe ayishomero lya Little Stars Primary Nursery School Kachika amukoro gwo kujaguza ekiro cy'obunyakare nalchet cultural day.
Nwetaga trust hitu nk'abazire konkabo kujya kutiriho tibine trust abantu abashomere hamuntu nibagira ngo bwonko bw'umwana nibwombekwa tibukuzarwa manyembozi but through kandi mutabatera
bakuzireho twahita ba OBs bitu na ba OGs nimuza kuwaka kuri
an open heart for us parents. When we have challenges, directors, I want to say you have the best headmistress, the best teachers.
We are really proud of you guys. It's really do what it takes to have our kids here because they can really perform to the standard of other schools.
Abazire bongere kubashaba kwegendesereza ebarukora omesho gabana babo.